Hey everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 25th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD. We'll be examining recent news and performing in-depth technical analysis to identify trends, reversals, and key price levels. We'll discuss current events and explore the daily, hourly, and 15-minute charts to give you a comprehensive view of what's happening with Ethereum. First, let's briefly recap the latest Ethereum news. Recent news indicates Ethereum is trading around $2,553, testing support at $2,500. President Trump's tariff announcements have contributed to a slight dip in the crypto market. However, buying pressure from U.S. spot Ether ETFs remains strong, indicating continued investor interest. Institutions are showing more interest due to improvements from the Pectra upgrade, but Cardano has overtaken Ethereum in core developer activity. Now let's dive into the daily chart and assess the technicals. Looking at the daily chart, we see a consolidation pattern forming after a significant rally earlier in the year. There is resistance around the $3,800 level, which was tested in late May 2025. Support can be found near $2,300, acting as a potential floor if selling pressure increases. A drop below $2,500 could trigger a further decline, while sustained buying interest may stabilize the price between $2,500 and $2,800. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action. We'll zoom in on recent candles to see intraday trends and potential short-term trading opportunities. The hourly chart shows a clearer picture of the recent pullback. Let's take a look at candles from May 20th to May 24th. On the hourly time frame, we can see ETH consolidating around the $3,700 to $3,800 levels. If we break above $3,800, we could see a test of higher levels. But if we break below $3,700, we might see a move toward $3,500. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart for short-term trading signals. We can analyze this chart data for key support and resistance levels for today, May 25th, 2025. The 15-minute chart provides insight into immediate price action and potential scalping opportunities. Let's focus on the most recent 24-hour candle data. We see a current range between $3,707 and $3,781. In summary, important price levels to watch are the $2,500 support on the daily chart, the $3,700 to $3,800 levels on the hourly chart, and the smaller 15-minute consolidation range. There's a 60% chance we'll see a test of $2,300 if negative news persists, like tariff escalation. If ETF inflows continue strongly, there's a 40% chance we could see a rally to $3,000. Keep an eye out for news regarding institutional adoption and regulatory changes, as these will heavily influence Ethereum's price in the short and long term.